I'm actually going to be hosting a giveaway, so I want you guys to stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you all the details on how you can enter in just a minute. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing something completely different than what I normally do. A little bit about me. I'm a creative person. I love doing creative things, and it is not always just home DIY stuff. So today in this video, I'm going to be transforming my plain white Nike Air Forces to look like the Kith by Nike sneakers. These sneakers are like totally exclusive. They're like sold out. You can't really find them anymore. And, you know, they can range. I looked on a website called GOAT. Well, actually, my husband looked on a website called GOAT and informed me of what these prices were looking like. So you can spend anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 and up, depending on the sneaker size. I was really inspired by like the color palette of the sneakers, so I wanted to try and do something myself. I also found that when I was doing the staircase makeover, which if you guys are following me on Instagram, you will see that I recently posted a post about how my arms are like kind of still tired from that project. I found that like painting was like super therapeutic for me, and I really liked that. Instead of taking on another home DIY project right away, I want to like slow things down, just still get into that creative zone and still do something that I love, which is painting. So I'm glad that you guys are here, and I hope you are excited about this sneaker makeover. So stay tuned. You are watching DIY by Niky Foster. I am using the Angelus paint brushes. This is a 5-piece set. It has all the information about which brushes come in there. I'm also using the micro detail brush set as well. I really like using these because I really like being super detailed and making sure I get into like really tiny spots. So I'm glad that I got this as a matte acrylic finisher. The color beige. Oh, can you guys see that? There we go. Georgia peach. I'm also using regular pink. All right, I also got some acetone from the dollar store. They are completely white. And I'm going to be transforming these so they can look like the Kith exclusive design Nike sneaker. Here's my sneaker, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take out the lace. Okay, so the first step is taking the acetone. Like I mentioned, I got this from the dollar store. So I'm just gonna take it and remove the finish of the leather coating off of the sneaker. I wanted to mention that this is my first time customizing sneakers, but I thought it would make a good video and wanted to share my results. On Angelus' website, this is a 1 fluid ounce bottle of paint, and they say you should be able to do a whole pair of sneakers like with 2 coats, 2 or 3 coats with just this one. So to get started with the painting, I did use my phone as a reference for which colors to paint where on the sneaker. I did start with the toe of the sneaker, and then I worked my way around from there. And here's just an up close look at the toe area and how I used the brush to go around. Here I'm applying the first coat to the rest of the sneaker. Okay, so when I'm getting here to the corners, I hope you guys can see that I'm like cutting the brush in a little. I probably should use a detail brush. Actually, I'm gonna use this detail brush real quick. Okay, so see where the fabric meets the sneaker? I'm gonna like cut right into there so that I won't, with this firm brush, so that I'm not painting the actual fabric. I ended up using a few of the detail brushes to get into the corners. There were a bunch of small areas that I didn't want to miss, and the spider brush really helped get into the really tiny areas. And here's a quick look at how I use the flat brush to create a smooth coat from edge to edge. This is the hardest part of the project so far, and these little threads have to be pink. So I kind of just went around it, and I think I'm going to just go in with a really fine micro brush. So at least I did the first coat, and this is how it is looking so far. It is extremely blotchy, and this is totally normal from all the reviews that I've seen on this website, on Amazon and on the Angelus website. This is how the first coat usually looks, so I'm not nervous about it at all. I'm pretty sure it's going to come out really nice when I am done. Okay, so I am back for the second coat on the sneaker. For the second coat, I started with the back of the sneaker using the micro spotter brush. That was one of the hardest areas for me, so I started with that section first. Okay, so this is how the Nike, see how close in detail it is now? Like, you can see all around the Nike area where I was able to get in using that really tiny tool. All, like, even in between the threads. So I got really close. Now obviously this is like still blotchy because I didn't do the full second coat, so now I'm gonna do that. Then I finished up the second coat using the flat brush on the rest of the sneaker. I'm gonna be using the regular pink. Okay. One thing to note is that the paints dry a little bit darker on the sneaker surface, especially after it gets a few coats. So if you're applying it, just let it dry, then go back with the second or third coat if you need it to get the final look that you want. For the Nike check, I used the flat brush because it was easier to cut right around the check mark. And this is called vinyl red tape. I'm actually just going to use it to tape around the bottom of the sneaker. And now I'm going to use the color Georgia Peach to paint around the edge of the sneaker and then the sole. And here I'm just adding the final touches of the pink to paint in the Nike sign on the front of the tongue. And getting into any little grooves that I may have missed. And I'm also painting the Air word on the side of the sole. And the stitching on the back of the sneaker with the same pink color. And here's how the sneakers look before, plain white $80 Air Force Ones. And here's how the sneakers look now. This was my first time customizing sneakers and it was really fun. I think they came out really good. This was a fun, no stress project that anyone can do. If you're looking for the paints and brushes, I'll link them in the description box below for you. Two things about the sneakers. I did take the metal piece off the shoelaces and I actually did not end up using the acrylic finisher because the sneakers already look matte enough to me. Also, keep in mind that this is my first time doing customized sneakers. I really wanted to just show everyone how it would look your first time doing something like this. I know that there are small imperfections here and there, but overall I think it is really worth the try and it was super creative and fun to do. So if you guys like this video, check out my new community on Vibely. This is a private group looking for super positive vibes and people who are creative, that want encouragement, and also just a positive place to share projects and home DIY projects and more. My landing page link will be in the description box below and you can read more information there. If you guys are not familiar with Vibely, I'll link the Forbes article about Vibely and Terry Yu, who is Vibely's creator and CEO. The article goes over her mission and why she created this platform. It's pretty powerful and I'm honored that they invited me to be a VIP creator on the platform. And finally, what you all have been waiting for, the giveaway details. I had told you guys in my last video, my staircase makeover video, that I was going to be doing a giveaway soon. CRICUT is sponsoring this giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, you must follow CRICUT on Instagram at CRICUT, and then you must follow me on Instagram at It's Nicole Foster. And then of course you have to be subscribed to both of our YouTube channels. I will link CRICUT's YouTube channel in my description as well, just to make it easier for you guys. And then on this video, you have to drop a comment. something really fun, positive, and then also put your Instagram name on it too, so I can check and see that you're following both of our accounts. So I'm going to be using a YouTube random comment selector to do this, and whoever is selected from that, I guess that program, will be the winner of the giveaway. Also for the giveaway, one last thing I forgot to mention is that it's only open to US and Canada. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And don't forget to go over to Instagram to follow me so you guys can get more details and be included in the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.